must report completed supervised job search hours on the Notice of Supervised Job Search Assignment Form 22-46 HHSA and return it each month by the 5th of each month while your case is open. Keep a copy of the form for your records. Not following these rules may cause you to be sanctioned. If you turn in your Notice of Supervised Job Search Assignment Form late, your case may close for 1 month. If you do not complete the required number of hours, your case may close and you may be sanctioned for 3 months. If something unexpected happens that is not your fault and keeps you from doing all your work project or participating in supervised job search activities, tell your social worker right away. Get proof of what happened in writing and tell your social worker
May
how
30th,
it keeps you from doing your work project
2024,
or supervised job search.
8:25
This is called
a.m.
good cause.
I'm at the welfare
Your social
office.
worker may be able to continue your cash aid instead of closing or sanctioning your case. Here are some examples of good cause. You have a medical emergency, doctor appointment, sudden illness, or hospital stay. Give your social worker a copy of the
May
appointment
30th,
notice,
Thursday,
hospital papers, or statement from the doctor.
8:25 a.m.
You were arrested, in jail, had a court appointment,
them all
or
that
a required
information.
interview with your lawyer, probation, or parole officer.
I'm not on parole.
Provide the ticket, jail release papers, subpoena, or statement from the person with whom you met. You had a job interview, not counseling, scheduled before we gave you your project. Let your social worker know right away and give the employer's name, telephone number, date, and time of the interview. After the job interview, give your social worker proof that you went. You start a job or paid training. Tell your social worker. The social worker will give you a form for the employer to complete. Your written proof must always cover the days that you missed your work project or job search. You are considered unemployable if you are not able to perform a work project. Medical verification of your limitations is required. If you cannot obtain a medical verification from your own doctor, you will be scheduled for an appointment to see a county contracted doctor for an employability evaluation. If you have any medical records, bring them to your medical appointment. You must cooperate fully with all unemployable rules. If otherwise eligible for GR, you will be eligible for unemployable as long as you are medically verified as unable to work. You are considered incapacitated if you are receiving disability-based income, such as disability insurance, state disability insurance, workers' compensation, Social Security disability based on 100% disability. You must cooperate fully with all incapacitated rules. If you fail to cooperate, your case may be closed or denied. You are considered interim assistance if you are unemployable for 12 cumulative months or longer with the same mental condition and can provide medical verification. A legal immigrant may be eligible under the interim assistance program if they have a disability that has lasted or is expected to last 12 months or longer and has applied for or is receiving Medi-Cal based on a disability determined by the State Disability Determination Services Division.
Come here, Joe. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl.
If age 65 or older and has applied for or is receiving Medi-Cal based on aid or is under reconsideration.
Got my dog. Excuse me. She's on the leash.
You must cooperate.
I'm on the phone with my interview. Excuse me.
These include applying for or reapplying for SSI if potential eligibility exists. Filing an appeal if your SSI is denied and potential eligibility exists. For example, U.S. citizen who is permanently disabled. Applying for or reapplying for Medi-Cal DDSC. Filing an appeal if your Medi-Cal DDSC is denied and your medical condition has worsened or is not being corrected through the prescribed course of treatment. Providing acceptable medical verification. If you fail to cooperate, your case may be closed or denied. If you want to apply for SSI benefits, or even if you have already applied and want some help, we have an SSI advocate in the Family Resource Center, FRC, who can help you. The SSI advocate in this FRC is from
I'm on the phone with my interview. You're interrupting my interview. I got the phone that y'all got me with my interview. Excuse me.
Or after HSS to refer
Got the phone. Can I have you on that side for me, please?
Giving HHSA